Alright, so the way I understand this, the first thing I got to do to get this transmission out is to take all this off here. I'll start by removing the shift knob, and then down here holding this piece of plastic here on with the cup holders and stuff are two Phillips screws down in those holes there. There's a hole there with under that finger and right there. I got me a Phillips screwdriver. I want to hope it's the right size. Doesn't appear to be. Feels like it needs something smaller, but we'll check it in a second. Alright, well, it turns out that was the right size Phillips that I needed. I gotta see now if I can get this lifted out. Alright, we got that off. And this nut here, I don't know if this socket will get on there or not. No, I'll have to get a deep well. It's a 17 millimeter. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the only 17 millimeter I had that'll fit on there is an impact socket and 1/2 inch drive ratchet. So we'll, okay, let it loosen here. There we are. Now we can take that off by hand, and when we do, we're supposed to put it on the other side and tighten it down, and that'll pull that bolt all the way through. Okay, we got that off. We pull this up and make sure this is out of gear, and it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to see how I can do this. I don't know if it'll be in frame or not. I can't really tell from here. The camera will stay there. Let's see, I can get this started on here. Now, set that to tighten. We'll put this back on again. Maybe. Alright. Well, it's gonna go back in gear again, looks like. But that's alright. As soon as I get this out, I'll take it back out of gear before I pull the shaft off. Hitting the camera, ain't I? Alright, well. Alright, it's starting to loosen up now. Well, maybe not. Loosened and then hit another tough spot. There, that got her out. See, I can get it in frame. There we go. I'm just going to put that over in the cup holder. Now I got, I believe, 4 more Phillips screws I have to take out. Let me pop this back to neutral again. And I believe this will pull off from the top. Well, keep the doggone camera aimed right. Yeah, I just pulled the shifter right straight off. See, there's a little spline there that it fits down on, like a keyway or something. So we got the shifter out. Now, I believe there's a Phillips screw there there, and there. I'll take those out. Alright, well I got those 4 screws out and it just lifts straight off. The 2 screws in the back I had to take a stubby screwdriver and put back here because that was all in the way. So now we take our T30 Torx, and there's these 3 screws here, and once we get them out we'll be able to lift this out, and then we'll be able to drop the transmission. So let me put the camera back down here again. These are supposed to be T30. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I guess they are. Alright, I just need to break them loose with a ratchet first. Okay. Well, if I can get it stay on there. Hard to do from up here. Yeah, there wasn't much holding them on. I wouldn't even call that torqued. I wouldn't even call that snug, personally, but I say all the screws I just put down inside the cup holder on the gear shift boot there. Let me do this left-handed because I can't reach it with my right. Not well, I can, but it's just awkward. Of course, these screws hadn't got a rounded head on them, so you can't turn them with your fingers. I guess I'll use both hands on it here. Make it easier to turn here. Okay, got that one out. Now we got this one here to go. Alright, I think I can turn it with my fingers now. There we are. And then turn it par. This should just lift straight out now. Should. Yeah. Just come straight up and out of there. And you see it has tabs on it there. You can get it straight back down in there when you need to. It'll just fit right snugly back down in. We'll set that out. Now we can drop the transmission down. That's all out of there. We can start doing the prep work underneath the truck, get it jacked up and everything. I'm not worried about it rolling anywhere. It's on a level floor here. If it was going to roll, it would have already rolled. But one thing I will do is apply the emergency brake, because when I go to take off that drive shaft in the back, I don't want it turning on me when I'm trying to take off the universal joint on the back. So I'll just go ahead and hit the emergency brake now, and that'll keep it from doing any sudden rolling and shit anyways. But we'll go ahead and here in the morning. Right now it's about 10 after 5. I want to go in the house and take a nap and stuff. I think Doug's coming in the morning here sometime, or heck, he might not get here until afternoon. I don't know when he's coming, but he's supposed to get here tomorrow, and I told him I'd wait for him then and get started back on it then. Alright, well, this is Gary signing off. Thanks for watching.